story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey Smart Fros, it's me, Gina, and in this video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how I created this crown goddess flat twist. I forgot how they name them, but if I don't upload this video, you guys are going to kill me, even though I have like a bunch of videos on crown braids and flat twists. But this is what I did for the one that a lot of you guys requested. This is it's like a 3-day-old braid out. It rained, so it is real big right now. So what I'm just going to do is refresh my hair, and then I'm just going to do flat twist because it's supposed to rain some more, and I don't want to waste my time doing a twist out or anything like that. So my hair is already parted. I just did a diagonal part going across, and that is just really, honestly, that's what gave it the look that I did something fancy, and I did not. So I'm just going to take this Camille Rose Lavender Spritz, and I'm going to spray my hair. I'm going to be pretty generous when it comes to this spray just because I want to easily be able to twist my hair up. And then I'm kind of just going to use my fingers to kind of get rid of some of the braid out texture. I don't want to use a comb. You can do this when your hair is soaking wet, when your hair is not soaking wet, it doesn't matter. This is actually like super easy. I'm going to take some of this gel from Camille Rose. It is the Lavender Crush Defining Gel. Gonna put a little of that, put a little of this, put a little of that. Gonna put it around my perimeter and then around here. And I'm gonna kind of brush it like that. And then we're just going to flat twist. So I'm just going to take a piece, split that piece in half, and then just start flat twisting. You have to know how to flat twist to do this hairstyle. Flat twisting is super easy. You just pick up one piece and twist it under. And the neater you go, the better it's going to come out. I'm just going to keep twisting, making sure I grab the back so I don't miss out on the back. And I didn't grab any bobby pins. And then I'm just going to twist, and that is this one section right here. And you see how shiny it already is with just these products. It hasn't even set. And then just for right now, I'm going to just tie this up with a little hair tie. And honestly, if your hair is long enough, my hair is kind of sorted. You can kind of leave it like this, but my hair crumples under. And so I just go ahead and bobby pin it. But that's that side. Now we're going to do this side. And then again, I'm just going to go in with the Crush Lavender Defining Gel. And just going to place that gel around my perimeter. And I like this gel because it is moisturizing. It's not like a hard eco-styler gel. And I find with this hairstyle, you don't need to use those hard gels to get good results. And I would rather my hair be super moisturized while it's kind of protected. And then, which way did I go? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of part this piece just so I can get it started. And I'm going to start my twist from here and work around the perimeter. And I need it to be going up. And I find that if you start with smaller pieces and kind of grab more pieces as you go around your hair, it gives you that look that your hair is thicker. But also keep in mind my hair is thick, so my twists naturally look thick. So just keep in mind, you may not, like the look you get may not be the exact same look, but it should be similar. And so you see I have this part, so the twist is starting, and now I'm going to go around. Now, it is best to go around the perimeter of your head so it looks more like a crown versus like a French braids where they go straight back. This also helps it look a lot thicker because that's more hair you're pulling in towards the end. Keep in mind too, this hairstyle is also very, very forgiving. When you tie it down with a hair scarf for like 10 minutes, it'll give you like a very flat look. Make sure I got all my hair. And then, like I said, you can stop. You take one of these little pieces. And actually in that video, this is what I did, but it didn't curl like I wanted to because my hair is it's at that length where it like curls up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece out and I'm just going to bobby pin it. And then I'm just bobby pinning these pieces so that they sit perfectly. The rest of this is pretty self-explanatory. And then that's that. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some edge control. This is again the Camille Rose Lavender Edge Control. And I'm going to lay my edges. And again, this piece is optional. You don't have to do it. I just find that it makes it look real neat. It makes it seem like you put some real thought into this hairstyle when you indeed did not. And you know, if you're a baby in the baby hair gang, you can do your baby hairs. You can get all fancy, you know, because some people are real good at them baby hairs. And then what I'm going to do is just take a satin scarf and just tie my hair down for like 10 or 15 minutes. And that will give it this nice and flat look that you guys saw. After sitting for about 15 or 20 minutes, this is the final look. So yeah, this is the hairstyle that a lot of you guys wanted me to recreate. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So you really made it to the end of the video. You the real MVP. But because you made it to the end of the video, I know you like my content. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other uploads. Also, make sure you check out these other 2 videos that I posted on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching.